Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, we are going to show you how you can run the two dialogues side by side. Means usually it is not possible that if one application is running within the Excel and you want to load another file while it is without closing it. For example, you are running purchase order pay, for example, uh, or you are running sales order. Okay, the sales order. This is a sales order. While leaving the sale order used as it is, means so uh, you want the purchase order uh, also to be run side by side without closing it. So there is no chance. You have to close it and you have to open the purchase order, right? But in this video, we give you some interesting thing, uh, demonstration, how you can use, how you can open the two applications side by side. Okay, so the first thing is that you open one file, right? This is part 615, which we are doing. Okay, we have already made a video of it. Fair enough. So in this, uh, we load the purchase order form, for example, this one. Okay, okay. So this is your purchase order form in which you can see that these are the, or you can load a purchase order as well. For example, load our PO14, right? The information will be there. Okay. And now, while leaving it here, you want to open the sale order form, right? So what you will do is that uh, you will need to copy this. So I have made a copy in it. Okay. Now, the next thing is that you will come to you would need to go to the taskbar and right click and hold down the shift key. Hold down the shift key, uh, alter key, right? Hold down the alter key and press the right click here on the taskbar, okay, in the Excel. Then you will find this menu. So in this you have actually, while I am keeping the alter key pressed, yeah, don't leave, don't unpress it, means keep it pressed, okay. And now you click on Excel, so a message will come to you uh, that I'm still holding the alter key, okay. And do you want to start the new task? Yes, we say yes. Okay. So a new Excel is up now. Okay. It is ready. Now you have two Excels, right? One is running the purchase order. In the other one, you are going to run the previous one, right? So we will go and see, we will click open and we will open the 17th. You have to use this a dialog box to open it, right? Uh, I'm deliberately not just using the Explorer and double click on the file. No? You have to go to the through the open menu. Okay? Now open it. So the two files are opening. One is running this purchase order, and the other will be running the sale order. And you can switch from purchase order in the middle to the sale order and vice versa, right? Okay, and go back, right? So now let's run the sale order. Okay, so it is opening. As soon as it settles down, then you are going to click on the sales order menu. So yeah, so this is the sale order menu. So now you have two dialog box open. One is sale order. As you can remember, our starting point was the sale order. We, first of all, we did a very long presentation of 60, 70 parts of the videos were uh, uh, on the topic of the sale order, right? And then we copied it to show you to go to the purchase order. Where is the purchase order? Yeah, this is the sale order, right? So if you want to go to the purchase order, this is the purchase order, a PO entry form, right? This is this is still working, and you can also get to the sales order. So both are side by side. This is purchase order, right? And this is sale order. And let's use this advantage and bring this thing in the sale order uh, as we did in the purchase order, because in purchase order um, this looks nice, but that the quantity is up, the unit price, these are appropriately sized. So nothing is between in here. You see the serial number is just above the serial number, product is just above the product number, quantity is it and right. Whereas in the sale order, we have something in between. Yeah? The serial number, let's load 81, sale order 81, yeah, so that you can see what is, yeah, okay. So I want to move all this as we did in the purchase order form. In the purchase order form, we drag all these thing up and bring it adjacent to it so that you can relate other so that there is no chance of mixing up confusion, right? So all we need to do is go to the sale order form. We go to sale order form in here. Yeah, this is our sale order form. In the sale order form, we are going to remove, move all this up and down, right? Okay. So first of all, let's make a room of this so that, yeah. And then we shift this entire thing, yeah, down. Okay, that's right. And we move this entire thing up. Yeah. Okay. and we move this up to make the space so that this space is not uh, wasted, right? We move it up, we bring it up to its previous length, just like this, and that's it. So now let's run the sale order form and see the changes which we have made. Make sense? Yes, it makes sense. It's right. So quantity, fare, discount, amount, and remarks. That's fine. Okay. So you can also make it a bit short and drag it here, as we did in the sale order form, in the purchase order form. This is the purchase order form. Yes. So this is more nice, more accurately appearing. So let's get back to the sale order form. This is purchase order form and this is sale order form. Okay, so we close it, we go to the sale order form and we go to the develop portion. There were VBA in here. We reduce the size of this amount a bit. Yeah, reduce. This is reducing and we shift it a bit, yeah, this way. Okay, and we make it a bit bigger. That's it. Okay, so this is how we can run the two dialog box side by side, and this is particular, and we can make the comparison and keep an eye on the both applications side by side. And so the rule is that we have to use a different instance of Excel. Yeah. And the way of having a new instance is that hold down the Excel, hold down the Alt key and right click on the Excel, and then while your Alt key is kept pressed, yeah, don't unpress it, don't leave it, keep it pressed and click Excel, so it will open a new instance. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in the upcoming videos.